Hi everybody, my name is Kendra Radnich and I am the Medical Science 1 and 2 teacher for the Deer Valley Online Learning Program. Today I'm going to be talking about the course content that we actually talk about in Medical Science 2. It's very different from Medical Science 1, so if you took Medical Science 1, I think you're in for a pleasant surprise of how awesome Medical Science 2 is. So in Medical Science 1, we talked an awful lot about body cells and different tissue types. We talked a lot about terminology. In Medical Science 2, we really started to talk about the different organ systems. And not only do we incorporate different organ systems, but we start to talk about current events that are going on with the organ systems and different diseases that are with these organ systems. We also talk a lot about different careers that you can go into if you love this organ system. So it's a really fascinating and cool course. So right off the bat, we start to talk about the nervous system. And the nervous system is an extremely complex system composed of your brain, spinal cord, and all of your nerves. We also talk about stem cells and different diseases that can occur within your nervous system. So we get into a lot of cool details about the brain, and then we also talk about some stuff going on right now with stem cells. It's super interesting. We also get into a lot of detail about the heart, and with the heart comes all of your blood vessels, and also we incorporate your lungs and respiratory system in it. And really what's kind of cool is by the end of the course, you're going to be able to know exactly how blood flows through your heart. It's going to enter without any oxygen and enter with oxygen. So we're going to talk about how that happens and how it delivers oxygen and nutrients to all your body tissues. One of my favorite things to talk about in this course is the endocrine system. The endocrine system is all of your glands and all the hormones that they secrete. And one of the major glands we talk about is the pancreas, and how the pancreas can cause diabetes if it's not secreting enough insulin, or how it can make insulin but your body cells might not respond to it. So we talk about the differences between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. We talk about the importance of exercise. We talk about what it's like to be an endocrinologist. And we really talk about the various glands through your bodies and the different hormones you release. On top of all those systems I just talked about, we also get into the digestive system and talk about how food travels through your giant tube that is known as your digestive system, and how we pull out those nutrients so you can use them. We talk about the kidneys in a lot of detail. We talk about the lymphatic system and how your immunity is able to combat things like the flu, the measles, and the common cold. So Medical Science 2 is extremely interesting class. We cover a lot of material, but we do it in a really fun way. So you're going to learn so much about the body. You're going to have a great time, and I really hope for a great semester. Thanks so much for watching.